guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing my Fabfitfun unboxing for summer 2023. So if you want to know what's in my box this month, then keep on watching. All of my boxes have been arriving at the same time, so you'll see me in like similar outfits, and I'm just trying to create multiple videos right now just to get it out there. Summer Fabfitfun box. Was it exciting? Here's the box. Here's the box, guys. It's all blue because I think it has kind of like a poolside theme. So it says, being poolside brings me joy. So this is what this side says. Very nice. If you look at this blue, it's definitely the color of the pool, right? It says here, Fabfitfun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. That is true. Yeah, nice people and nice things, nice prices. All right, so let's open her up. And I think this is the first time where Fabfitfun didn't have any kind of decoration or design on their boxes, which is fine. Like, I actually love the simplicity of it. And here's another blue. It says Milk Makeup. Oh, the different brands. Okay, deals for days. You can save up to 30 to 80% off. That is true. Like if you're a Fabfitfun member, they have member deals, member sales all throughout the year, not just during the seasonal boxes. And yeah, brands that you see at Sephora or like Nordstrom, they're all like half off, if not 60% off or more. So it's an amazing deal to be a Fabfitfun member. My first one is this one. It's in no particular order because we don't have time for that right now. I had to, guys. It was too cute. It's a Kate Spade pitcher. Okay? Kate Spade pitcher. I've always wanted a cute pitcher, although I wish it was like a little bit bigger, but looking at it, it is still pretty big. It comes with two glasses. I love that the glasses are different color. I don't know. Some people say it doesn't go well together with the picture. Like, why is it pink when the picture is like, you know, yellow lemons and green leaves? But I still really like it. So it comes with a cup, two cups. Then you pour your best and most favorite drink. This is definitely something that I am gonna get a lot of use out of. It's small enough for like a family of 4, I feel like, but if it's for parties, it's probably not that big. It looks like really thick plastic, and it's by Kate Spade. Yeah. The other thing that I got are sunglasses. Okay, I think this is like customization 6. I always get sunglasses from Fabfitfun. I've gotten at least every other season, they have sunglasses in their boxes to choose from. The actual sunglass is in my car. I guess it's by the brand X. I didn't even look to see what brand it was. I just saw the color. Pink sunglasses, very reflective. It was just so cool to wear when I was at the fair, the food fair the other day. Okay, the next one is the Laneige sunscreen. I think this was customization 5 or 4. You can't get enough sunscreen. Every time, guys, I apply sunscreen, and the reason why I got this is because it's SPF 50. So I always get sunscreen for my face. That is always part of my makeup routine, my skincare routine when I go out. This is the Hydro UV Defense Sunscreen. So it's gonna be hypoallergenic, dermatology tested, no white cast. So I look for that, the no white cast sunscreen. Let's see if there's really no white cast, because they say no white cast, but on lighter skin, it works. I love that blue, I don't know, packaging. Laneige is a little extra sometimes. Actually, Laneige, very high-end brand at Sephora. Yes, no white cast. And I love that hydrated look. You know, before I turned 40, I was avoiding like dewy. I was avoiding looking like an oily mess. But now that I'm over 40, okay, my face is starting to dry like the Sahara. And yeah, so when I see like a slight sheen to the sunscreen, I'm like, I'm all for it. I like to glow. I mean, guys, aging is for real. You cannot stop the time, no matter how you try, and you just have to embrace it, and you just have to try to age gracefully. And part of it is using sunscreen, guys. I wish I had started sooner. Okay, next one is Lily Pulitzer ID case. Okay, so it has a little pocket where you can put your driver's license. There's the Lily Pulitzer logo. You can attach this to your keys. You can have a little bit of cash in there. I think your keys can even fit in here, but you can put your keys over here instead. Feels very good quality. Is it worth the price? I mean, I think this is like around $30, but you guys, Lily Pulitzer has some pajamas that are like $75, okay? It's that kind of brand. This is her signature look, and so I just had to. I think I could use this a lot, especially during the summer, during my kids' swim meet, when you want to go minimal. I just need my keys, my ID, and some cash, and that's all I need. The other one is Way fine to medium hair, and I do have fine to medium coarse hair. It's a treatment mask. So I wanted to try Way because Way is a good hair brand. But also I ran out of my hair treatment mask from, oh gosh, I forgot the name. Oh, this smells good. I like my hair to have a little bit of scent. Oh my gosh, the packaging is amazing, guys. Like, it kind of feels like velvety matte. I don't know, but you know, it's Way, so it's a little extra. People think like I do something with my hair, but I really don't. I don't even blow dry. I air dry, but it's these products that just makes my life a little bit easier. I don't have to style my hair. It just falls nicely. Okay, so that is everything. I think I'm forgetting one more, but I don't know what is missing in here. But I have 2 add-ons. One of them is a refreshment. Is that what it's called? Refreshments? Oh my gosh, I forgot. Refills. No, they're called refills. So Living Proof shampoo and conditioner, the one that's volumizing, adds fullness and volume. This is it. This is my secret to having lots of volume on my hair, just using this shampoo and conditioner. And refills with FabFitFun, guys, is basically if you sign up for refills, they'll send you every season this set for $25. And if you guys don't know, one of these shampoos are like $30 at Sephora. So the fact that I get the shampoo and conditioner for $25 is amazing. And it's seasonal, so they'll send it to me once every quarter. The other deal that I got is this one. Now these Foreo Luna, but guys, this is like 100, I think this is like over $200, right? But it's only like, I got it for like 25. I'll put the pricing just to be precise, but this is the Foreo Luna Play Smart 2. So it has a certain number of uses. It cleans your face really well, and after using it, your face feels like a baby's butt. I'm telling you, I'm not exaggerating. You know what a baby's butt feels like? That is it. And it just feels super clean and refreshed. It doesn't strip your face down. It's just amazing how this works. And it's it doesn't collect bacteria like other brushes and cleaning tools do. So now I remember my water bottle. That's my 6th item here at FabFitFun. I'll show a picture of it here. I'm already using it, guys. Basically, I needed like a tall water bottle that had high capacity. I wanted it to be long but thin so that it can fit in my car. But yeah, it's a 32-ounce bottle. It's leak proof. It has an internal straw. It has a carry strap. So yeah. There's one more thing, guys. This visor straw hat. I love it. I used it at the fair. It kept me cool all afternoon. Amazing. One of my favorite things that I got from FabFitFun. That is everything in my FabFitFun box, guys. What do you guys think? I didn't get a lot this season, but it was just right. It was just everything I needed. I'll make sure to put the overall price value of my box versus what I paid for seasonally. And yeah, to kind of compare. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.